This next video is going to showcase how to use the Google app on the iPad. The Google app is the blue icon with the giant G. It's in the middle of my screen. If you cannot find it on your iPad, again, swipe to the right and just search for Google on your Google search bar, and you'll see the app come up here. So I'm going to go ahead and open that app. When you open up the Google app, this is the screen that comes up. You'll notice I'm already logged in the upper right hand corner of my screen, and that's because I've set up my email through Google, which all students should have done already. You look at the options at the bottom, and we're going to go into Applications. When you click on Applications, you're getting different options. You can go through your Gmail this way, although it's much faster to just use your home screen. You can also go through your calendar, but again, it's much faster to do it on the home screen. And then the third option is Google Docs. So we're going to go ahead and click on Google Docs. You'll notice that opens up on a new tab kind of at the top. And one thing I want to point out is I can swipe back and forth to open up that new tab. What you'll see then when it comes up is these are all the most recent documents that I've had opened on my Google Apps site. And you'll see things in order by what has been done most recently. If I want to show more items, I can go ahead and click this blue box, and it will open up more items that I have used. If I swipe down, I can go ahead to the bottom of the screen. Another thing I want to point out is you'll notice this has a slightly different look than if you were at it. At the bottom of the screen, I can view Google Docs in my mobile version or desktop version. And depending on what you're doing, they both work better in certain ways. The desktop version does not have all the features and sometimes is a little bit glitchy, but it does have a better look to it. So once we have this, a couple things I want to point out in the Google app. First of all, we have all these documents. Click on any document or select it, you'll notice at the bottom of my screen I have an icon for share. If you ever want to share a document with a teacher, a document that you've been working on, and they want you to share it that way, this is how you would do it. You would select the document, you would click the share button. Once you typed in share, it would ask you who you wanted to share it to, who you wanted to invite, and you could share that document. When you are done, you just simply press on, and that will bring you back to the main screen. If you ever want to edit a document, you're just simply going to click on that document and it will open up. That document comes and you can read the document. Now, as you open the document over here to the right, you have an option to edit that. Before you edit or make any changes, you have to push that button. So I would push the edit button. It reopens it in editing mode, and now I can go ahead and I could tap anywhere on this document and hit return. Go ahead, type something new, and it's automatically saving in Google, which is again a nice feature. But you can go ahead and edit a document this way. I don't want to do that, so I'm going to go ahead and delete this, and it will bring it back to what I had. If I hit refresh, it will automatically refresh that document as well. If I hit this back button, it will take me back to my last screen and keep moving back. If I need to search on that main screen, this search command will allow you to search for a document that you have saved. Other options, at the top, the magic arrow button, if you click on that, you can open that document in Safari, which is the browser, or you could also open it via email. +1 probably won't use, and the X is simply going to close that document. And again, if I want to go back in, I would just hit Docs, and it would reopen my account. So that is the basics of using the Google app to open and edit a document and to share that document with someone else. One other thing I do want to point out, in the upper left hand corner you can sort it in different ways. You can sort alphabetically by name. You can also narrow your search Right now it's just showing my most recent documents, but maybe I have a bunch of or folders that I want to view. So I could just click on collections and it's going to show me my folders or collections that I have. If I want to re-narrow that by document type, it will show me my spreadsheets or text documents, etc. If I hit cancel, it will bring me back to where I just was. And again, if I want to narrow by different things, I can do it right here. And again, you can use your back button if you want to go back to the previous screen. That is the quick tutorial on using the Google app.